In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best running shoes for women in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. Asics constructed the gel Nimbus 23 to provide reliable comfort in long runs, with improved stability that fosters a more balanced stride and smoother transitions. A stretchy midfoot panel helps support your arches, and soft gel technology at the heel provides more compression to take the bite out of hard strikes. A gender-specific truss-stick structure adds articulated support, along with pillars under the toe for a soft feel and foam in the midsole for lightweight cushioning. Improved stability also comes from the use of breathable, multi-directional mesh in the uppers. Number 4. The Adidas Ultraboost 22 is another good all-rounder for experienced runners and beginners alike. When Adidas released its first Ultraboost in February 2015, the running world went mad for the bouncy boost foam, which really did feel exciting underfoot. 7 years later, the boost foam is still as exciting. It's fast and responsive when it needs to be, but still feels plush on longer, slower miles. The Ultraboost 22 has been designed by an all-female design team, for female runners. Adidas used skins from 1.2 million female feet to redesign its Ultraboost 21, giving the Ultraboost 22 a narrower heel, a lower instep, and an S-curve heel to allow the Achilles tendon to move more freely. The downside here is the weight. This isn't a light shoe, but unless you're really trying to PR, it shouldn't bother you. It's a great all-rounder for anything from your first 5K to a fast half marathon. Number 3. Hoka revolutionized the industry when they first introduced their Maximalist running shoes, which drastically increased the stack height of the standard runner. The Bondi 7 offers the most cushioning in their line, with a compression-molded even midsole that provides a ridiculously plush feel. TPU overlays add structure and support at the midfoot, and an open-engineered mesh upper provides breathable comfort, and helps cut back on weight. A modest 4mm heel toe drop works with an early-stage metal rocker profile to improve forward momentum. The beveled heel cradles smaller feet, and the newly designed collar made of memory foam wraps comfortably around the ankle. Number 2. A long-time favorite and consistent price winner since it was introduced, the latest Lone Peak 6 from Waltra embodies all of the brand's philosophy when it comes to making a successful trail-focused running shoe. All of the brand's footwear is designed to create a more natural fit for your foot, including an ample toe box, as well as no heel to toe drop. Balanced cushioning with a stack height of 25mm adds comfort in addition to the foam in the midsole. Grip on any sort of terrain is assured via 2 features of the brand's proprietary technology, the Max Track outsole, designed to provide extra grip, and the Trail Claw canted lugs below the metatarsals, intended to provide extra traction. You can even add Ultra's gaiters, a great way to keep debris and snow out of the shoe, with their hook and loop closure gaiter trap. Number 1. Runners looking for a smooth ride that won't distract from the fun of the run. The Ghost 14 offers a simplified midsole construction which creates more seamless transitions. This Brooks Ghost 14 is a certified PDACA 5500 diabetic shoe and has been granted the APMA seal of acceptance. The Ghost 14 offers neutral support while providing eye-energizing cushioning. Ideal for road running, cross-training, the gym or wherever you might want to take them. Biomago DNA and DNA Loft cushioning work together to provide a just right softness underfoot without losing responsiveness and durability, yet it feels lighter than ever. DNA Loft now makes up the entire midsole, for a softer, smoother ride. No matter how your foot lands, our segmented crash pad, an integrated system of shock absorbers, will cushion every step and stride for smooth heel-to-toe transitions. More strategic use of the 3D Fitprint upper technology provides structure that moves with the foot. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.